Hi there, friends. Want to customize how your apps appear on your Samsung Galaxy A27? In this guide, I'll show you how to change the app drawer layout, adjust folder grid sizes, and even switch to an iPhone style home screen if that's what you prefer. Step 1. Start by going to your phone's home screen. Find an empty space where there are no app icons or widgets. Then tap and hold that area for a couple of seconds. A customization menu will appear. From there, tap the settings icon to open the home screen settings. Step 2. Inside the home screen settings, tap App Screen Grid. You'll now see different layout options for your app drawer. On the Samsung Galaxy A27, the available choices are usually 5/6, displays more apps on each page, making better use of the screen. 4/6, makes app icons slightly larger and easier to tap. Select the layout that best matches your preference, then tap Done to save your changes. Your app drawer will immediately update with the new grid size. Step 3. If you also want to change how apps appear inside folders, return to the home screen settings and tap Folder Grid. You can choose between a 4/4, fits more apps inside each folder. 3/4, provides larger icons and a cleaner look. Choose the option you like and the folder layout will update instantly. Step 4. If the grid options are unavailable or you can't save changes, the Lock Home Screen Layout feature may be enabled. Simply turn Lock Home Screen Layout off, then try changing the layout again. You'll also notice the Add New Apps to Home Screen option. Turn this on if you want newly installed apps to automatically appear on your home screen. Turn it off if you prefer new apps to stay only in the app drawer. Step 5. If you prefer an iPhone-style experience where every app appears directly on the home screen, Samsung gives you that option as well. Open Settings, then tap Home Screen. Select Home Screen Layout at the top of the page. You'll see two choices, Home and App Screens. Keeps the traditional app drawer. Home Screen only removes the app drawer so all apps are placed directly on the home screen. Choose your preferred option and tap Apply to confirm the change. Your app drawer and home screen settings have now been updated successfully. Feel free to revisit these options anytime if you want to try a different layout or further customize your phone. We hope this guide helped you make your Samsung Galaxy A27 more convenient to use.